Hey folks, Coach Thompson here. Today I wanted to start a series where I address some certain myths that are circulating in the fitness industry and we can discern whether those myths are true or false. In order to begin the series and really get into the meat of what these are, there are a couple of foundational principles that I wanted to lay out for you folks so that you can see some of the thought process that goes behind the interpretation of data. The first principle is to understand the difference between causation and correlation, because those aren't the same things. Many times, people will read a certain study and they will see that there's a correlation between X, which means that must be why Y is happening a certain way. And that's not always the case. An example of this is researchers a couple years ago found that with the increase in sales of ice cream, there was also an increase in murder rates. Now, that doesn't mean that there's a cause between the increase in ice cream sales and the murder rates, but that does mean there's a correlation between the two. Because as ice cream sales go up, so do people go outside and to the park, and there's more easy access for predators to abduct people and to get away with murder. So there's not a causation between the two, but there is a correlation. It's very important to discern this so that when you're interpreting whatever literature in the scientific, political, or religious field, that you're able to understand the difference between causation and correlation. Thank you.